welcome back to my channel. So today is the 5th episode of the 2020 recipe challenge, and if you can see my shirt, I'm representing my father's homeland. So I am doing a dish or a recipe that is originally from Switzerland, and it's not what you think. This is a very easy dish. You just need potatoes and ghee. So I'm doing Rösti. So Rösti is actually like the hash brown, but it's not really the same. And it has to be crispy on the outside, both sides actually, and then like it's soft on the inside, and you will see that later. And I also tried to do two ways here, the big pie kind of Rösti, and also the individual ones that you can fry, you know, if you're just cooking for yourself in something. And of course, normally, I think in Switzerland, how Swiss people actually do this, they parboil their potatoes in advance, or like even an overnight, and then they fry it the following day. But for me, I opted for the easiest way, and it's still like for me the same taste, and it's still amazing, and it's very easy. So this is probably the easiest recipe that I'm gonna do for this challenge, but it's also a dangerous one because I did cut myself today twice and it bled for an hour. So be very careful when you're actually, I don't know, shredding your potatoes. So yeah, I'm gonna show you now how I actually did the Rösti.